Hello, guys. Good afternoon. And again, I am so sorry for coming on so late today, but I was determined to put out a video today. I just had a message and I didn't do any keyword research for it or anything like that. I just felt like it was a message that I just wanted to give. I want to give value, and sometimes having to always do keyword research does not always fit into what you're trying to offer to your followers. So, um, I am late putting out the video, and again, I do apologize. But again, if you are looking to retire early and don't know where to start, then you are at the right channel. Hello, everyone, and welcome back. My name is Sandra, and as you know, my focus is early retirement. And after doing research, I found building digital assets online is the way to go. Today, we're going to be talking about knowing when to change directions in your business. Um, like I said, this is just something that came to me today. I was very adamant about it. It's something that I learned. It's something that I wish that I would have known early on in my business endeavors. I would probably be much further than where I am today. Um, but I'm learning it now, so I will be using and implementing it now as we speak. Um, I recently talked about having a backup plan in case your business plan don't go as planned. And the reason why this is important is because I've had times when I started working on the business and some things didn't go as planned, and I gave up. I stopped because I was under the assumption that if it didn't go the way it was planned, then it was not going to work. I never for a second thought that, hey, let's change some things. And I call this knowing when to pivot in your business. When a business pivots, it means that it's changing some aspects of its core marketing plans, products, or services. Businesses might pivot to better meet customers' demand, shift their target audience location, boost sales, change marketing plans, or some combination of some of these scenarios. Having the flexibility in your business plan will help you thrive while keeping you from throwing in the towel. Now, what you must remember is that not all business plans go as planned. Just because you have to change direction doesn't mean the goal changes. I wanted to bring this message because no one ever told me to have a plan for failure. And I know that it sounds weird, but it's like, why would you plan to fail? It's not necessarily plan to fail, but there will be some aspects or plans in your business that will not always follow through. Remember, things never go as planned. So, having a plan for when things might not go as planned, believe me, you'll be so much better off. Without that plan, you will fail, and I am living proof that this is true in every aspect. Okay? Before you start writing a plan, start with the end in mind. This will help you plan for other objectives and scenarios that might come into play. Okay, so guys, thank you so much for listening today. Like I said, this was a really impromptu, very short video. I am late coming up with my video today, but I hope you enjoy it. Hope you get some kind of value out of it. And if you are new to internet marketing and looking to retire early, then check out my number one business model that I am using to grow my business down in the description box below. Please remember to like, comment, and subscribe. And if you find that this value is a video, please share it with someone else. Again, thanks guys so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next video. Have a good day. Bye.